Hi Shams, I'm looking at your Essay 1 introduction and there's some plagiarism and I want to show you what I'm seeing and you need to fix it. So when you go into your grades and you go down to Essay 1 introduction, you'll see this little rectangle with 49% in it and you click it and that generates what's called an originality report, which compares what you've submitted to sort of everything else that's been submitted and stuff that's found online and stuff too. So so you kind of scroll through and you see these highlighted lines. They are from something else that has been submitted to turn it in. So I know because I click here and then I click the 49% again. And so 29 of what you've percent of what you've submitted is from Emma's, something that Emma submitted. And I don't, I mean, only you know how that happened, but where's the name? So, right. And then another 20% is from, sorry, how do I get there? Another 20% is from another source, which right now I'm not able to figure out how to get back there. But anyway, you get the idea. Everything that's highlighted, the total of everything that's highlighted needs to be reworded into your own words. So here's the second source. I'm not really sure what it is, but everything needs to be reworded that's highlighted, and you can resubmit it as soon as you've done that.